Randy Lawson, one of the only 1950s Piston Cup racers which is sponsored by a current Piston Cup sponsor, that one being Sputter Stop. I think Revolting is the other one too. That's Leroy Hamming, who is the one that Doc Hudson actually flipped over in a race of some description. A Piston Cup race, yeah. But those are the only two that I'm currently aware of, and enough blabbering. Let's get on with the video. So, Randy Lawson is a racer formerly competing in the Piston Cup Racing Series with the number 91. Where he was sponsored by Sputter Stop, yes, who's still in the Piston Cup, and Genuine Never Tire, with additional side sponsoring by Catmull Oil and Revolting, who also still races in the Piston Cup. So, he's sponsored by some current Piston Cup sponsors, and his only appearance in Cars 3, in which he competes in the 1954 Fireball Beach course race or whatever. During which the Hudson Hornet experienced his career-ending crash. That's interesting to know, but not exactly the best. Well, not the best fact, but it's a fact. It's still a fact nonetheless. All right, don't have a go at me. All right, and I don't know what car he's based on. It doesn't say anywhere, I don't think. And in terms of releases, he was only released twice, once in 2019 and once in 2023. And I think, who was it, Jackson Storm, all paid tribute or portrays him in the Thomasville Tribute series. And he is just an overall cool car. So let's have a closer look at him. So his his expression is nice and happy, excited, you raring to race, and some vertical headlights. Though some of it isn't actually headlights, but who cares? I don't care. And green eyes. I'm not sure how common that is in the cars world, but there you go, green eyes nonetheless. Here we go, he looks dirty. Little dirt decals. Must have used some 4-wheel drive. 91. And Sputter Stop. And Genuine Never Tire. What does that slogan say? The liquid's tire in a can. The liquid. There you go. Can you see it? The thing's a bit dark, but the liquid tire in a can. With some other sponsors too, and some white metal alloy thingy rims. And his name, his roof bar things, I don't know what they're called. There you go, some small sponsoring around the back. Again, vertical tail lights and what appears to be an exhaust pipe.